Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you what you could expect from the Airline Amenity kit on KLM in business class. I'm going to put a question mark by that because I was actually seated in economy flying with Andre, my son, and they were nice enough, since it was his first time on KLM, to give us an Amenity kit. So I'll show you the contents of that. As you can see, here is the bag that comes with it. Now, I would guess, I don't know, please, this Rooks Museum and Rituals, let me know in the comment section if this is what people are receiving. This is as of November 2022. So you've got a pen there, you've got the Signal toothpaste, got eye moisturizer, lip balm. Now, the reason that makes me wonder about if this is the business class Amenity kit, because you got the Bluey bib. So unless business class customers need a bib, you do have socks and an eye mask too. And you got a toothbrush as well. So yeah, let me know in the comment section about that, if that's what you guys are receiving, and a bib also. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.